plug this in now or should I wait?
Yeah, go right ahead.
Columbia 31 Kilo, read back right.
This is so nice. Literally got everything.
Got it all, man. Everything but a bathroom. Got one, but it's not very comfortable.
Water bottle? Got a water bottle in here?
It's a lot like that. All right, I'm going over to tower. All right, fuel pumps, wig wags, fullest tank. We're ready to roll. Let me pull out here and see if there's anybody else in the pattern. Doesn't look like there is. And Medford Towers, Sling 3755 Golf is holding short at Alpha 1, northbound departure.
Sling 3755 Golf, Medford Tower, runway 32, clear for takeoff.
32, clear for takeoff, 55 Golf. All right, you all set?
Yep.
All righty then, let's roll out here. All right, we're clear on the left and we're clear on final.
Empire 8678, no need for the report, runway 32, clear to land.
Clear to land 32, Empire 8678.
Everybody else just got cleared to land, so we'll keep moving. All right, 32 is painted on the runway. We're going to bring in full takeoff power. Full takeoff power is set and achieved. Airspeed is alive. Engine gauges are green. There's 55. We'll rotate.
Let's go.
Let it build up some speed. Get up to 90 and then start to climb out. And there's 90. Positive rate of climb. We'll dial our power back just a little bit.
Columbia 1131 Kilo, runway 32, takes to Alpha.
How you feeling?
Good.
Good.
Great. How high are we going to go up? 10,000?
10,500, yep. All right, there's 1,000 feet above. Climbing out at 95 knots. That's kind of a nice cruise climb for us. We climb at a good rate. We're climbing at about 700 to 800 feet a minute, which is fine, but we're still making good progress over the ground as well, which is great. Cascade approach, experimental Sling 3755 Golf is 6 to the northwest of Medford, climbing through 4,500, looking to pick up flight following to Hillsboro, Hotel India, Oscar.
Terminal 3755 Golf, Cascade approach, Medford altimeter 29993, squawk 4624.
29993 and 4624, 55 Golf.
There's 755 Golf, radar contact 2 miles northwest, Road Valley, VOR, say altitude.
5.4 climbing 10,500, 55 Golf, and your position checks. Seattle Center, experimental Sling 3755 Golf, level 10,500.
Terminal 3755 Golf, Seattle Center, good morning, Roseburg, altimeter 29995.
905, 55 Golf. Alright, so he's letting us know what our altimeter is because we're coming up on Roseburg now. We're closer to Roseburg now than we are Medford.
6,400. You're cleared to Eugene as followed. Maintain 1000. Eugene altimeter 2995.
2995, clear to Eugene as followed. Climb maintain 1000 in the position checks. Medevac 315.
Alright, so here we are at 10,500 feet. This is going to be our cruising altitude. My buddy Jared and I are flying from Medford to Hillsboro for an airplane expo. So we're going to hopefully see some pretty cool airplanes and jets today. Do some shopping around for Jared. I'm already in my dream airplane, but Jared dreams bigger than I do. So we should see some cool stuff there. I'm looking forward to it. I always like hanging out with Jared, and flying with him is even that much better. So welcome along, Jerry.
Thanks for having me.
Good to have you. Super smooth this morning. It's been another nice, cool morning. It's 9 o'clock right now, and we're just about over Roseburg. So we've got about 1 hour and 9 minutes before we get to Hillsboro. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight.
You got it.
Number 3755 Golf, contact Portland approach, 118.1.
118.1, 55 Golf. Approach experimental Sling 3755 Golf, 6,500 descending, and I've got Yankee in Hillsboro.
Number 3755 Golf, Portland approach, roger, thank you. Hawaiian 39, turn left heading 200.
200, Hawaiian 39.
All right, so I think I'm going to turn you over to traffic here. So this is what you've got. That's a 2 nautical mile ring. That's a 6 nautical mile ring.
902 Charlie.
You can see 1,800 below, 800 feet below. Yep. So that's going to just help you with close-in stuff.
1755 Golf, traffic 12 o'clock, 3 miles eastbound, 5,500 indicated there, maneuvering in the area. Contact approach on 118.42.
Looking for that traffic and 118.42, 55 Golf. Approach experimental Sling 3755 Golf, 4,400.
3755 Golf, 1 approach advised with Yankee at Hillsboro.
I have Yankee in Hillsboro, 55 Golf. All right, seatbelts are on, fuel pumps are on, wigwag's on, nav lights beacon, and we're on the fullest tank. So we're ready to land.
Number 3755 Golf, rail service terminated, form VFR, contact Hillsboro Tower 119.3.
VFR and over to Tower, 55 Golf. Hillsboro Tower, experimental Sling 3755 Golf is 7 to the south inbound with Yankee, full stop.
Experimental 3755 Golf, Hillsboro Tower, enter left base, 31 left.
Left base for 31 left, 55 Golf.
Cessna Cushion November 55 Golf, turn base.
Turning base, 55 Golf.
November 55 Golf, wind calm, runway 31 left, clear to land, traffic Saratoga, right down for the parallel runway.
31 left, clear to land, and looking for that traffic, 55 Golf.
November 65 Lima number 2, follow experimental 1.5 mile final, runway 31 left, clear to land, wind calm.
1 mile.
Runway 31 left,
He's landing on a parallel runway.
Traffic, clear to land number 2, 65 Lima.
Oh, I see him over there.
836
See him?
traffic,
Keep your eye on
2
him,
3
please.
miles
he's
southeastbound,
ahead of
2,100
us.
descent.
You see him now, Jay?
No,
You don't worry about
I do see him now.
500.
That's awesome.
Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah. He came at a crazy angle.
Yeah, it's because we were both coming towards each other, landing on parallel runways, so I kind of cut my corner too, because that's the last thing I wanted to do was cross my center line.
Cessna 836 traffic, no factor, off your right behind you, delete altitude restriction, and free exchange approved.
Thank you for the help. We can ship to 526.
RB50 Bravo, delete altitude restriction.
50 Bravo.
Cessna 86 Mike, make right traffic, change to runway 31 right.
Make right, close out 66. Change runway 31 right, 6 clear.
Nice, Jay.
Saratoga 7 Juliet Charlie, turn right when able, ground point 7.
Hardly felt it.
Right, turn ground, point 7, Saratoga
I
7
can tell
Juliet
that
Charlie,
would
thank
be
you.
just like smooth.
Yep. Just gliding down.
Yeah.
A little bit of butter on the runway. Hillsboro Tower, experimental Sling 3755 Golf is holding short of Charlie.
Number 55 Golf, Hillsboro Tower, runway 31 left at taxiway Charlie, clear for takeoff flight, straight out, wind 330 at 3.
Straight out and 31 left, clear for takeoff, 55 Golf.
Cessna 8 uniform, turn base, runway 31 left, continue traffic holding in position.
Turning base, 31 left, AC uniform.
Cessna
Put you back on
877,
traffic.
departing downfield, runway 31 left at Alpha 8, line up await traffic, left base, Cessna.
Okay, clear right,
line up
clear left.
31 left, Cessna 89877.
Cessna 8 Sierra Papa, turn base, runway 31 left,
And
continue.
31.
Number 2, following the Cessna on the left base.
Turning base, number 2 traffic, we'll follow man 8 Sierra Papa.
Alright,
Number 55 Golf, confirm fly straight out.
flying straight out, 55 Golf. Airspeed's alive, engine gauges are green, and there's 55.
Hillsboro Tower, Cessna 403 Sierra Papa, extending left downwind runway 3 left.
Cessna 403 Sierra Papa, Hillsboro Tower, extend down, I'll call your base.
You call my base and extend downwind, Cessna 403 Sierra Papa.
Cessna 877, westbound approved, runway 31 left at 8, clear for takeoff, wind calm.
Approved, clear to takeoff, 31 left, Cessna 89877. Hillsboro Tower, good afternoon. Pilatus 858 Pops here. We're out at 3,700, visual 31 left, final ladder above 2,000.
Pilatus 858 Papa Sierra, Hillsboro Tower, maintain at above 2,200, left downwind, 31 left, extend, I'll call your base.
Final ladder above 2,200, enter the left downwind, 31 left, and we'll extend. You'll call the base. 8 Pops here.
Cessna 8 runway 31 left, clear to land.
31 left, clear land, AC
Alright,
uniform.
looks like we're getting away from all the
number 2,
traffic.
following Cessna ahead of you, runway 31 left, clear to land.
Right on.
Number 2 cleared to land.
And we're
8 Sierra
climbing
Papa.
pretty fast.
Cessna 3 Sierra
Well,
Papa,
for us.
I'll call your base.
Not for an
Look up
epic.
to your left, there's a Cessna over TV highway
We're
at
climbing
1,000.
over 1,000 feet a minute.
I have them in sight, Cessna 403 Sierra Papa.
Cessna 640 Quebec, extend downwind, I'll call your base, expect runway 31 right.
Extend downwind, fuel call my base, 631 right, 640 Quebec.
Number 55 Golf, westbound, southwestbound approved. Traffic over Forest Grove at 1,600, entering the downwind.
Looking for that traffic and southwestbound approved, 55 Golf.
Cessna 00 Quebec, make a right 360.
Right 360 is Sierra Quebec.
He's just managing.
Papa Sierra,
It's
new
just
altitude,
cat herding out here,
1,700,
dude.
You're going to overfly multiple Cessnas in the
So
downwind.
nuts. I'm just going to get above all this stuff.
1,700.
We'll get up here fast and go.
Cessna 757 to X-ray Hillsboro Tower will be just a moment, multiple arrivals.
Multiple arrivals. You see someone?
Yeah, this guy right here.
Oh yeah. Yeah. It's just, they're just everywhere, man.
Pilatus 8 Papa Sierra, there's traffic underneath you at 1,200, doing a right 360. Cessna, you're going to be number 3, following the Cessna.
So glad we're out of that
half
mess.
mile.
Seriously.
we got the Cessna under 12 o'clock. We'll be looking at the other ones on final 8.
Number 55 Golf, frequency change approved.
Frequency change approved, 55 Golf. Thanks for your help.
Cessna 9 Sierra Papa, I'll call your base, continue downwind.
Oh man, what madness.
Look at all that still.
Seriously, it's all in our rear view mirror now. Approach experimental Sling 3755 Golf is 4 to the southwest of Hillsboro Airport, looking to pick up flight following to Medford.
November 55 Golf, to Portland altimeter 29901, maintain a VFR and squawk 4672.
29901 will remain VFR and 4672, 55 Golf.
So maintain 6,005 fuel Delta.
All right, here we are at cruise, 1,500. We're just over Salem. Departed Hillsboro. Hillsboro was madness. They have a couple of flight schools there, and I think there was some traffic either coming in or leaving.
Radar contact 3 miles west of Astoria Airport. Climb maintained on 230.
And so it got really busy around Hillsboro. Jared and I managed it okay. It was getting hot too. I think it was around 90 degrees, so it was hot, sweaty, and busy. But we got to look at some really cool airplanes. Jared and I were looking at different types of airplanes. We've got different missions. I'm currently a private pilot with an instrument rating. I'm kind of looking at the smaller four-place airplanes. I really love the Pipistrel Panther, or Panthera, excuse me. What a cool airplane. It's currently, they're certified, but the one that they had there was experimental, so a little less expensive. It's got the G3X suite, which is identical to what I currently fly with in my Sling. And anyway, very cool plane, retractable gear. It does have, it's not FADEC, but it's a beautiful plane. Looks super comfortable. It does have a full airframe parachute in it. Next to that, I also really like the Diamond DA50 RG retractable gear. FADEC, it runs on jet fuel. A lot to like about that. It's got a huge wingspan. It's actually just a really big plane. Like compared to my plane, compared to the Panthera, that 50 RG is really imposing when you get up there. Then we looked at some airplanes for Jared. Maybe for Jared, yes. He's got to talk to his wife Christine about it first. So the ones in the running for Jared, we didn't even look at the TBM, but we looked at the Cirrus Vision Jet. The Vision Jet was a little on the small end from a payload perspective, and because it was a jet, its operating costs per hour are quite high. So Cirrus Vision Jet, although it does have the Cirrus airframe parachute that goes with it, which is a nice safety feature, can provide some peace of mind when your family's flying around with you. I'm not sure that one fit, so it looked like it really came down to a 2-horse race between the Pilatus PC-12, which is amazing, and the Epic aircraft built out of Bend. Epic also was recently experimental, and now those are also certified aircraft. The PC-12 has been around forever. It's extremely popular, and for good reason. It's got a great payload. Got a number of seats. It was configured with 8 seats. Is that right?
Yeah, it's 6 and 2.
6 and 2.
You can push forward the back 2 and put another 2 in the back. So it could be 10 total.
Okay. So 10 including pilot, which that's great. And it did have, it was roomy and comfortable, and it did have that private jet type of feel to it because the cabin space is big and it's just nice. It's got a lavatory in it. The Epic does not.
13207.
The Epic, for me, was amazing. I love its performance. It's the, I think they kept telling us the least expensive per mile.
Yeah.
Because it very high performance. It does have jet-like performance. In fact, it's faster than the Vision Jet. It flies max speed, 333 knots. It's just a really, really nice plane. Now, it only has 6 seats total, including the pilot's seat. And so Jared's not currently a pilot. So it would fit his family of 5 just right.
Information Alpha current at 7.
It's nice though. Getting inside there, it was like
super nice.
like a spaceship.
I
don't know. What were your thoughts?
Yeah, the Epic really was cool. If I was a pilot, it would be great because then you can get 6. You can have your whole family in there, family of 6. But it goes super fast. Way cheaper though. That was the nice thing. Per hour, just a lot cheaper.
The per hour cost was nice, even compared to the Pilatus, which is, I think, generally considered a fairly efficient plane.
It was like, I think, $200 less an hour.
Per hour, yeah. And again, you're flying faster. Yeah. So less time on the airframe, less time on the engine, less time in the air.
Yeah.
So the Epic probably for the win. We'll be sure and take a tour of Jared's Epic when he picks it up. So our next trip actually has to be to Bend, because they invited Jared to go tour the facility where they build the Epic aircraft in Bend. Jared's got a place in Sun River, which is just a short hop from the Bend airport, so we're going to have to go over there sometime and check them out.
18.425.